Oh, you want it on camera? I got it on camera.
About that, nigga?
What? Okay.
What the fuck, you idiot. What? I was right there. You didn't see me? You are fucking retarded. You're fucked. What a potato head. Look at this guy. Fuck you, old people, man. He doesn't even care, man. Fuck.
Putain, oh! Oh, déjà vous avez rien à faire là, hein.
Ouais, je sais, mais je t'ai pas vu du tout.
Parce que les flics, mon gars, c'est souvent qu'ils se mettent là-bas, ils foutent des 4 points, des 4 points, des 4 points, hein.
Ah ouais?
Bah ouais, fais gaffe, hein.
Putain.
Hello, hello. Turn your lights on. Your lights. Turn your lights on. Your lights. Turn your lights on. Yeah, turn them on. Your night lights. She has no idea how to use her car. She's never used lights in her life. She turned her windshield wipers on. She's never used anything besides her low beams since she got that car. And nobody's ever told her.
Ouais, regarde. Regarde où tu vas, mon garçon, là. Hein. Ah.
Hey! Am I not here, motherfucker? Use your goddamn mirrors. Sure, I'll go here, motherfucker. Get on the damn line. Are you even looking to see if you can turn right on red? You're not, are you? Now you want to scoot the fuck forward. Really? Get on the fucking sidewalk. Now I gotta watch out here. Really, motherfucker? Where'd he go?
So I got some really good news when I was away. I mean, it's not amazing news, but it's some news nonetheless. Hello, what are you doing? Hey, what are you up to?
Fuck you. Fuck you too, man.
Fuck you! On your phone. I'm not gonna pay attention to where I'm going because I'm on my fucking phone. You may not want to be on your phone while you're driving. You're not on your phone, you just pulled up to, and you had your phone in front of your face. Mount it on the dash. Dumbass. What is this? Backing up in the middle of the road?
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
And that's how you get fucking killed. I don't know what the fuck that guy was trying to do. I had no idea because he didn't have fucking turn signal on. Or as Snowcat calls it, an indicator. Fuck people. Yeah, just come on out. Don't even fucking worry about it. You see this? Got you on camera. Don't you fucking do it either.